AICC, in conjunction with Board Converting News and Corrugated Today, presents the 2013 Innovator of the Year competition. Entry number 1, new ideas for recycling and reusing wastewater, paper, and ink. This innovator is always looking for ways to make better boxes for its customers, but they are also looking to improve how they control their expenses and impact the environment. Their approach touches on 3 major components that are used in the manufacturing process: water, paper, and ink. During the manufacturing process, water gets mixed with inks and other contaminants, so it can't be allowed to just go out with normal wastewater. This company filters the water to take out all the impurities, so it's cleaner than the city water entering the building. This recycled clean water is pumped onto their roof, creating swamp coolers that keep their plant cooler in the hot months of summer. They also use this filtered water in the plant, at the machines, and other areas as much as possible before it goes down the drain. Recycling scrap from the plant is one thing, but this box maker has also reached out, providing balers to customer locations and setting up partnerships to pick up used boxes, helping to feed our domestic paper supply instead of allowing it to travel overseas. Their approach allows traceability. The recycled material that goes back to the paper mill is used in making paper that will then be turned back into boxes for those same customers who provided the OCC material. This closed-loop system is traceable for those customers who require documentation for Walmart, Costco, and others, earning them extra points on their vendor scorecards. Their closed-loop program makes a difference by keeping recycled boxes in the U.S. This innovator no longer buys ink from suppliers who dictate minimum orders in 5-gallon buckets because these rarely get fully used and properly disposed. Instead, they've installed a state-of-the-art ink kitchen that uses base colors to make every possible color in the right amount for each job. This cuts down on waste as well as the amount of plastic buckets getting thrown away. When there is ink left over from jobs, the innovator blends the leftovers in-house to create a generic color just for BMCs and part numbers. An even more unique approach is that they also utilize a special black ink made using post-consumer inks from printer toner cartridges. This post-consumer ink has exceptional transfer properties, is rich and dense in color, as well as being extremely efficient running through their presses. Water, paper, and ink. This innovative plant manages its resources carefully, saving money and protecting the future.